Hi, I'm Tom Gattuso, Vice President of Events for SEMA, and I'm standing in the New West Hall at the Las Vegas Convention Center. I'm thrilled that we can come together this year to celebrate the innovation and products and people in our industry. This year, the SEMA Show will be more than just cars and trucks. It's a celebration of the automotive aftermarket. Next month, we'll begin the booth space selection process. As we work with exhibitors to prepare for the 3-week process, we're hearing exciting news. Manufacturers have not stopped their passion and the development of new products and business opportunities. The SEMA Show will provide a springboard for innovation and products for years to come, and we'll see 2 years' worth of design development and creativity. I'm confident that the halls will be filled with more new products, trends, and innovations than ever before. And I believe the energy and passion that you typically find at the show will be bigger and stronger than ever. Be sure to visit our website, semashow.com, for the latest updates. That's where you'll be able to register for the show, secure housing, and there's a link for manufacturers to apply for booth space as well. Don't forget to follow us on social media at SEMA Show. All of us at SEMA look forward to welcoming you to the show this year, and we can't wait to see you in November.